Balance is hard to find, but without it, life wouldn't be possible. For example, if the Earth was a little farther or closer to the Sun, we would either freeze or burn. But let's talk another kind of balance that, even though we may not notice it, pretty much keeps us alive. And we are talking about hydroelectrical balance. So how does it work? About 60% of our body mass is fluid made of water and electrolytes, aka salts. Electrolytes are ions such as potassium, sodium, or chloride found in your body fluids. They help to conduct electricity and energy, which helps to control and maintain homeostasis. They also let your nervous system to send messages to your organs and help your muscles to contract. So basically, without them, your life would cease to function. But it's important to understand that your body cannot create electrolytes. They are something that you have to get inside your body by either eating, drinking, or in extreme cases of dehydration with a pump. But how does our body keep the balance? For that, let's take a closer look into our kidneys. Kidneys have tons of little capillary grooves that are million twisty microscopic filtering units called nephrons. Each of them has three parts: the PCT, the nephron loop, and the DCT. In the PCT, epithelial cells pull sodium ions from the filtrate using active transport in order to deliver them in downstream sites. Then filtrate passes to the loop. Its primary task is to drive the reabsorption of water by creating a salt concentration gradient. It does this mainly by actively pumping out salts in the ascending loop. So when new filtrate comes down the descending loop, water passively flows out and is picked up by the blood. After the filtrate goes to the DCT and down to the collecting duct, it's officially urine. And this whole process allows your body to keep the right amount of electrolytes you need to maintain healthy and for all your systems to work properly, because having more or less electrolytes than what your body needs can cause several damages, such as respiratory failure or cardiac issues. And there is where the coronavirus gets in. If a person with previous electrolyte imbalance catches the virus, he is more likely to suffer severe damages. And that was, unfortunately, probably the case of many people, especially elder ones who take diuretics because of their medical conditions. Diuretics or water pills avoid the meticulous filtration of your kidneys, so it lets your body to get rid of salts that you will probably need later. But even if you're healthy when you catch the virus, when COVID-19 gets into your cell, it tells it to get rid of electrolytes that you actually need, causing you to be dehydrated or go hypokalemic or hyponatremic. In both cases, you have a high possibility of suffering of a respiratory arrest. We really hope that this pandemic will be over. But meanwhile, we can try to avoid or fight the disease by staying well hydrated and keeping our electrolyte balance.